The reason most people never get their first freelance client isn't skill, it's waiting. Waiting until they have a portfolio. Waiting until they feel ready. Here's the truth. You don't need any of that. You need a plan. I'm going to give you a 7-day one. Don't offer 5 services, pick one. Choose the thing you're already good at or have done in a job. Choose one AI tool to pair it with, ChatGPT for writing, Perplexity for research, etc. Example, I help e-commerce brands write product descriptions using ChatGPT to cut their turnaround time in half. Pick one. Your offer, Inscard, who you help plus what you do plus what changes for them. Prompt. Help me write a 1-sentence freelance offer, I skill for target client, so they result, make it specific and jargon-free. Example output, I help SaaS startups write cold email sequences that book more demos using AI to cut research time so I can deliver in 3 days instead of 2 weeks. Sanof bar, don't write a long pitch, write a curiosity trigger. The goal, start a conversation, not close a deal. LinkedIn search, job title, plus company size, pol plus, recent posts. Perplexity prompt, give me 20 company type in city niche that have been actively hiring or growing in the last 6 months. Build a simple spreadsheet, company name, contact name, LinkedIn URL, notes. Aim for 20 prospects in under 60 minutes. Personalize the first line for each, reference something real about them. Use your day 3 template for lines 2-4. Send all 20 in one session, expect 3-5 replies, 1-2 positive. If no reply in 3 days, send one follow-up. Prompt, write a 2-sentence follow-up to this message paste. It should add value, not just ask if they saw it. When someone says yes, send a Calendly link. Prep with ChatGPT. I have a discovery call with a client type tomorrow. What questions should I ask to understand their pain points and position my service as the obvious solution? The biggest thing standing between you and your first client is doing this. The free starter kit has the exact prompts for days 2, 3, and 6, link below.